Y'all please hit the subscribe button.
Okay, thanks.
Check if it's working. I mean, I got the flexible one.
Yeah, we're good.
You sure?
Thanks.
Yeah, please hit the subscribe button. We're installing this vent. I'm gonna show y'all here in a minute what's going on. We're just focusing on him down below, make sure he got everything he needs. He's securing it with the proper screws, anchors, and whatnot. I got him. Hooray, hi. How are you, Tari? Thank you for watching. Y'all please hit the subscribe button. Subscribe. Thank you. So which one you putting on first, at the left side or right side?
There's left one right here.
Okay.
We're only going up to the wall. I can't go up for the back.
Okay. You alright? Yeah, I felt that. He's locked in.
I mean, I went too far back.
Nah. Didn't we need to go back anyways?
Okay.
Level or no level?
Look at the other side.
Y'all please hit the subscribe button. Subscribe for us. Hey, Rich. Yo, Rich. Hey, yo, Rich. Yeah, when you get a second, bro, let's start organizing stuff to where it's easy to cover up. Because I think that we're going to get hit a little hard a little bit. We need more plastics, Rich? I think there was some up above, no? Y'all please hit the subscribe button.